Glass painting is a beautiful and versatile art form that involves painting on glass surfaces to create intricate designs, patterns, and images. It can be used for various decorative purposes, such as stained glass windows, glassware, vases, and more. Here are some glass painting techniques you can explore. Traditional stained glass technique. This involves outlining the design with black or dark colored paint called liquid lead or liquid leading. Once the outline is complete and dry, different colors of glass paint are applied within the outlines. After the paint dries, the piece can be assembled into a larger stained glass artwork. Reverse glass painting. In this technique, the design is painted on the reverse side of the glass, the back, which gives the painting a unique and dimensional appearance when viewed from the front. This technique often involves using opaque paints and requires careful planning of layers. Acrylic glass paints. These are specially formulated paints that adhere well to glass surfaces. They can be used to create translucent or opaque designs. Acrylic paints can be layered and blended to achieve different effects. Oil-based glass paints. These paints are transparent and create a stained glass effect. They can be applied directly onto the glass or mixed with a medium to achieve various levels of transparency. Oil-based paints are often used for creating detailed and intricate designs. Glass etching. This technique involves using etching cream or abrasive materials to create a frosted or textured effect on the glass surface. Stencils or masking tape can be applied to create patterns before applying the etching medium. Glass mosaic painting. Instead of painting directly on the glass, you can paint tiles or small pieces of glass, and then arrange them to create a mosaic pattern on a glass surface. This technique can be used to create vibrant and intricate designs. Alcohol ink painting. Alcohol inks can create stunning abstract and vibrant designs on glass surfaces. The inks can be applied with brushes, droppers, or other tools, and they blend and interact in interesting ways. Airbrushing on glass. Airbrushing can be used to achieve smooth gradients and intricate details on glass surfaces. This technique requires some skill with an airbrush tool and control over the air pressure. Faux stained glass technique. This technique involves using adhesive lead strips or black paint to create the look of stained glass without the need for actual lead outlines. It's a great way to create stained glass-like designs on windows or glass panels. Glass painting with resins. Clear or colored resins can be used to create a glossy, three-dimensional effect on glass surfaces. The resin can be tinted with pigments or combined with other materials to achieve various effects. Remember that glass painting often requires some practice and experimentation to achieve the desired results. Make sure to clean the glass surface thoroughly before painting to ensure proper adhesion. Additionally, always follow safety precautions and use appropriate ventilation when working with paints and chemicals.